Nakatakdang sumabak ang Filipina golf prodigy na si Rian Maliksi sa Asian Tour 2025 season opener na Philippine Open na gaganapin mula January 23 hanggang 26 sa Manila Southwoods Golf and Country Club sa Carmona, Cavite. Yan ang ulat ni teammate Daryl Oclares.
Matapos na makuha ang ikatlong pwesto sa Australian Master of the Amateurs, agad na magbabalik aksyon ang Filipina golf prodigy at World Amateur rank number 3 na si Rian Maliksi ngayong linggo. Lalahok si Maliksi bilang nag-iisang women amateur golfer sa Asian Tour 2025 season opener na Philippine Open na magsisimula bukas at magwawakas sa January 26. Bagamat makakatapat niya ang mga pinakamahusay na lalaking golf players sa loob at labas ng bansa, hindi naman naatras si Maliksi sa hamon na ito.
Philippine Open starts on Thursday and it's an Asian Tour sanctioned event and only the men will be playing that. I am very grateful na I'm the only women amateur to be invited. So, syempre there are a lot of supporters and there are a lot of people now who will support this as well because I'm just a girl playing in a men's field. So, mixed feelings about that. Pero for this week, I'll be just taking in this to experience and see how I perform with the male athletes here.
Ibinahagi rin ni Maliksi ang mga ginagawa niyang preparasyon bago tuluyang maglaro sa Philippine Open.
Just same training lang po as I did last summer. I've been working out a lot and then seeing my coaches time to time. And then, same routine. And then, see how I play in those 4 days.
Sa edad na 17, gumawa ng ingay si Maliksi sa international amateur golf scene. Matatandaan na noong nakaraang taon, dalawang magkasunod na United States Golf Association tournaments ang pinamunuan ni Maliksi. Wagi si Maliksi sa 2024 US Girls Junior Championship noong Hulyo, habang nanguna rin siya sa 2024 US Women's Amateur nito namang Agosto. Daryl Oclares para sa Atletang Pilipino, para sa Bagong Pilipinas.